Hello friends, today's video is about wall decor with fabric or you can see it textile decor, and you can see that this is a special craft and skilled people can make it, and this is very intricately designed and beautifully made. It's a different kind of art in which fabric thread is used to make different sceneries, different faces, or if you want to capture something, it can be a moment or some piece of art. You can make it on a piece of fabric, and you can use multicolored threads to make the design or artwork you want. And you can make many things with this textile art. You can make uh, tapestries to hang on your walls, and you can find this textile art framed in pictures and to put it on your walls. And this art is just amazing and beautiful, and most of the time it's about the natural sceneries. And today the collection we have, the majority of them are about the natural world, nature, floral designs and petals or human faces. And the more beauty added to it is because of the colors and vibrant threads and vibrant colors are used in it to make it more beautiful. And as you can see that this is like a moment captured on canvas, and this is definitely the other type of canvas. The difference is this is textile and fabric, and thread is used to, you can see it's embroidered, and this can be like some applique work, but it all is made with fabric. And this is just awesome. And you can choose any frame or hanging tapestry of your choice from this amazing collection. It is showing different faces of the nature, the birds and the seas and the rivers and the depths of ocean, and the world in different colors, and the vibrant colors are used are just amazing. And this is a piece of, you can use these beautiful and elegant pieces of art to decorate your walls. And the choice of fabric colors, they are definitely according to your choice of art. And if you like our collection, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.